The Indian thinking is based on simple living and high thinking. But all research today is going in the opposite way, that you have high living and simple thinking. And all the money that you're pouring in goes against this basic principle.
So the people in the inner sciences will say that जिसको आप कहते हैं कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ये खराब बात है, पाप चढ़ेगा. There is no such thing as पाप. There is no such thing as sin. It is only a scientific fact that if you keep your laboratory clean, if you keep your inner laboratory clean, then there are certain mind states of consciousness that are joyful that you'll be able to have. And the more you clutter and put toxicity, the more you put toxins inside your system, in your mental system, the more you're going to suffer. And this conditioning will create a causation, cause effect, that will create more problems for you, health-wise and so on. So the real reason for a certain simple, clean lifestyle is nothing to do with, there is no God issue involved, there is no paap, sin kind of a thing involved. It's basically that this is mind management. It is superior mind management. This is how you can be very scientific people. You don't have to have anything to do with religion, but you can appreciate a certain lifestyle. So that's one thing which is coming back. And unfortunately, this is coming back into the West. And if you look at the statistics of people in yoga, people in meditation, people in all these kind of things, and how much de-addiction from chemicals, de-addiction from alcohol, de-addiction from cigarettes they have achieved with these techniques. It is absolutely amazing. The graphs are going up. But in India, it's not the case. In India, we're still going the other way around.